welcome to Tableau training. We are into module 1, and for this session, the topic is show me menu, right? So we do have show me menu where we have all the charts in one place. So let me show you the which is the show me menu. If you go to the Tableau desktop, and then rightmost corner we have a word called show me, right? If you click on it, it will expand. Again, if one more time click on it, it will collapse, right? So here all these 24 charts, 25 charts, right, are available in this show me menu. So according to the requirement, you can choose either bar chart, either text chart, heat maps, bar charts. I mean, whatever the charts, pie chart, all the charts are available in the show me menu. So in one place, we'll have everything. So let me show you how that it will use. Suppose if you want to create a text table, right? So as soon as I select the text table, you can see the how many measures are required and how many dimensions are required to create text table. So it is one or more dimensions required. If you see the bottommost the show me menu, right? One or more dimensions and one or more measures required. Similarly, for heat maps, one or more dimensions or one or two measures. So like this, right? Let me show you the pie chart, which is familiar for us. So pie charts, one or more dimension, one or two measures. So as based on that requirement, right, we can choose which is appropriate for our business requirement in the show me menu. Let me select, like, see, if you want to create a map, right, any chart, right? Let me select line chart. So for line chart we need 0 dimension and 1 measure. So this is how it has been, show me menu has been in place in Tableau desktop. Based on the requirement, we can create and present to the user. Thanks for watching this video.